difference between shall and should. Most of us have made the mistake of thinking that the words shall and should are synonymous. And as a result, we have often used them interchangeably. But that would only lead to a change in the meanings of the sentences. So, to ensure that the next time when you use these words correctly, it's essential that you know the meanings of these words. When you use should in a sentence, it shows strong intention or assertion about an action that will happen in the future. For example, the Indian cricket team shall win the next match. Whereas, when you use a word should in a sentence, it indicates duty or probability or obligation. It's also used while criticizing someone for their actions. For example, you should have been caught for driving so fast. I hope that helps. Thank you.
Neethus Academy, India's #1 language academy.